Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 summer appetizers. We love appetizers pretty much all year round, but summertime there is a lot of stuff going on where you could take appetizers to. So I'm going to share with you 10 really awesome appetizers to take to your next get together. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of fun videos for you. Always leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let me show you these 10 summertime appetizers. So I'm going to be making some deviled eggs. These are such a huge hit. I'm going to boil my eggs first to get them hard boiled. So I'm gonna boil them for about 18 to 20 minutes, and then I take them out and put them into a bowl of ice water to cool them down, and I put them in the ice water for 10 minutes. And then the peel just comes off so much easier when I do it this way. So I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna peel that and then I'm gonna let them cool for a bit. So they've cooled, and now I'm going to cut each egg in half, and they're cooled and peeled and everything. They're ready to go. So I cut it in half and putting it on my little egg plate, and then I'm saving the yolk, and I have right now half a cup of mayonnaise in my bowl. And I'm going to cut all of these eggs in half, put all of the yolks in there with the mayonnaise, and then I will be ready for the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to use I have some Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, add into there, and I just have some salt and pepper to taste. These are very, very simple, and they're so good. And if you love eggs as much as I do, our whole family loves eggs. We all just absolutely love them. So these are always a really big appetizer hit. So I'm just gonna take a little spoonful and put it into the inside of each egg. And like I said, I'm just doing simple mayonnaise, Dijon, salt and pepper to taste. So this is a really easy recipe and nice and healthy as well. Low carb if you're doing low carb, which I like to do a lot of low carb recipes. I'm adding on a little paprika, gives it a great taste, and also it just makes them look really pretty as well. So these turn out so good and just a really big crowd pleaser. Everyone loves these. So I'm going to be doing some pinwheels. I have cream cheese, a brick of cream cheese. I have half a cup of sour cream. I have a 1/3 cup of salsa. You can use your favorite kind. And I have half a cup of finely shredded cheese. I like to use the finely shredded with this one. And I have some taco seasoning. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the taco seasoning from my packet. I'm going to mix all of this together and make such a good cream. It's very, very delicious. So this is the filling for the pinwheels. So I have my tortilla, and you can use whichever kind of tortilla you'd like. I like to use these ones. They're just regular Mission tortillas. And I'm gonna roll it out once everything is spread out evenly, and I will roll these pretty tight. I don't want to squeeze out too much of the mixture here, but I'm going to roll them a little bit tight. So I'm going to roll that up. I will do the rest of these tortillas with all of the mixture, and then once they're all rolled up, I'm going to wrap each one in some cellophane to keep them nice and tight. And then I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours minimum, and these will really set up really good. And then once they are set up, you can slice them after that and serve them at your get-together. So you can just put these in the fridge for a while. And now that they are all set up, I'm going to unwrap the cellophane from each one. Sometimes cellophane gets a little sticky, but I'm gonna unwrap each one. I'm gonna use a serrated knife to cut these. It makes it so easy, and they come out so, so good. So you can cut them into just little circles, and these are just bite-size grab and go, and everyone loves these when I bring them, and just a really great and easy appetizer. You can even make these the night before you cut them as well, which I love anything that is make ahead. I'm going to be doing a Cowboy caviar with salsa, black beans, corn. I have some green chilies and avocado. This is so good and just a really great way to kind of jazz up your regular salsa. So can of salsa, can of corn, drained, black beans drained and washed, and green chilies. I drained out a little bit of juice that's in there. Going to give this a big stir before I add in the avocado, and then this will be just ready to go. Serve it with tortilla chips, or corn chips are one of my go-tos on dips to serve with. So slice up that avocado, stir it into that mixture, and this is so good. So this is a TikTok viral boat dip, and it's very, very good. I see why it went viral on TikTok. But I have sour cream, and I am going to use the whole container, so this makes a very big serving. I have a can of Rotel tomatoes. I like to use the one with the diced green chilies. A packet of taco seasoning, which anything with taco seasoning is just great in my book. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This is so easy, and like I said, it's that TikTok viral dip, and it is very good. It has been one of our summer favorites for sure. Definitely like super creamy and great, great flavor. So I like to serve this with tortilla chips. You can serve it with Fritos corn chips or Ruffles as well. Very, very good. So I'm going to be doing a shrimp appetizer. We love shrimp. It is so easy and it's just delicious. So my shrimp is defrosted. It has tails on, but it is deveined. I add in some olive oil, some paprika. I'm going to add in some seasonings to make this kind of a Cajun flavor. I have some cayenne, and I am just measuring to taste for us, but less than a teaspoon for sure of all of these. But definitely measure to taste. If you like it a little bit spicier, add some more cayenne. If you don't like spice, just add just a dash of that. But garlic and onion powder as well. So I will give this a toss and coat the shrimp with all of the seasoning. I'm gonna add the olive oil into my pan, and I'm going to cook this shrimp. Shrimp cooks so quick and easily, so I'm just gonna layer it on the pan. After about 3 to 4 minutes, I will give the shrimp a little flip to cook the other side. So they cook up so good and so easy also. I have an avocado. I'm gonna make a little bit of a guacamole type dip. I have a tablespoon of lime juice, and I have some salt. I'm going to mash this all together just with my fork. You can use a kind of like a potato masher if you'd like, but it's easy just with a fork. I'm going to slice a cucumber. Cucumber is so refreshing, so perfect for appetizers. I have my cucumber, I have my guacamole, and I'm going to add a shrimp on top of that once I have all of these cucumber and guacamoles all ready to go. This one, like I said, is so refreshing with the cucumber, so delicious with the shrimp, and just these are kind of all my favorite ingredients. I love anything with avocado, so this one is so good. And they're really like pretty too. It's just a pretty appetizer, bite size, grab and go. Anything that is good, finger food, I am definitely a fan of. So these are a huge hit. I'm going to be doing the easiest appetizer ever and the most delicious. I have a brick of cream cheese and some jalapeno jelly. So the jalapeno jelly, it is not spicy like a jalapeno. It's more sweet than anything. And so you just put the jelly on top of the cream cheese, and you are good to go. And put your favorite crackers on the side. I love this with wheat thins. I use the reduced fat wheat thins. They're my favorite. But this is so good. So this is called pool dip. And I have a brick of cream cheese. I have a cup of sour cream. And this has corn in it. So I have 1 can of corn that I will drain. And I love anything with corn, especially in the summertime. A can of diced green chilies, a red bell pepper all diced up, and a packet of ranch seasoning. I love ranch seasoning as well, so this is definitely one of my favorites. And it's nice and creamy with the cream cheese. My cream cheese is softened a bit. I did have it out at room temperature for a little bit before so that it would mix well with my other ingredients. And this one is definitely one of my favorites for sure. It is very addicting. I like to serve this one with Fritos. You can also serve it with tortilla chips or Ruffles as well. So I'm going to do a chicken salad, and chicken salad is so good, especially in the summertime. So I have 2 cooked chicken breasts, I have a cup of mayonnaise, I have a teaspoon of dill, I have some chopped celery, some dried cranberries, and some chopped walnuts. So I love chicken salad. You can put it on lettuce wraps, you can put it on crackers, you can put it on top of salad. Just so many options for this yummy chicken salad mixture. But for this, I'm gonna make it into an appetizer, and I'm going to put it onto a slice of apple. And this just makes it more of like a grab and go type finger food, which is just perfect for right now with different functions and parties to make appetizers for. So I'm just thinly slicing my apple to make it kind of like the size of a chip, sort of. And I'm just gonna scoop up that chicken salad mixture and put it on top of the apple. The sweetness combination of the apple with the chicken salad is such a good combination. So this definitely makes a lot as well, which I love. And you can make the whole batch or you can save some. Chicken salad saves really well for a few days, so I love to make a big batch and have it throughout the week as well for lunches. It's a really great, nice summer light lunch. So this is just definitely so super good. I love it with the dried cranberries as well. It just gives it a good sweetness. So really yummy. This is another one of our family favorites and so easy. It is literally 2 ingredients. 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix, a container of sour cream, and you just mix it and it makes the best onion dip. It is so simple. I don't think we have a family function without someone bringing this onion dip. It is just a staple in our family, I guess. So just mixing it, I just like to mix it all in the tub, and then you can store it in there, any leftovers from after you put it into your serving dish. So it just makes less dishes as well. I love that. So putting it into my platter, and this is best served with wavy Ruffles. You can serve this with original Lay's as well. So I'm going to be doing some Crockpot meatballs. Another one of my absolute favorites and so very easy. I just use frozen meatballs. It is just 2 ingredients. Frozen meatballs and barbecue sauce. We love this Sweet Baby Ray's. You just pour the barbecue sauce on top and put the lid on and give these a cook in the crock pot. And I love that it stays warm in the crock pot. So you can do high for about an hour or low for 2 hours. They don't take long, just until they're warmed up. And then you can stir about every half an hour for this. So I hope you enjoyed all of these appetizer recipes that are just perfect for summertime. I love all of these in the summer. So they are just fun to take to any kind of potluck, cookout, tailgate, anything that you need to take an appetizer to. So I hope you enjoyed these. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day.